Hello all, welcome to Live Mechanical Jobs. In this video I am going to show you 3 government jobs, 5 fresher and internship jobs and 13 experience jobs. Kindly subscribe to the channel for more interesting job updates. Let's start the video. The first government job is from Bharat Electricals Limited. All the 3 government jobs are from the same company which I am showing now. So this is for the designation project engineers for the location Hyderabad. You can also get the official notification by copying this link and pasting in a new tab, or just click on apply now so that you will get this link in which the first post of recruitment project engineers for Hyderabad unit. So just click on view detailed advertisement so that this notification will open. As you see, project engineer mechanical has 2 openings for this Bharat Electronical Limited. So before applying, I want to make everyone clear that a minimum of 2 years of post qualification relevant industry experience is mandatory to apply for this job of project engineer 1. So this is for at least 2 years of experience candidates, and as written, a minimum of 2 years work period will be there, and it may extend up to 4 years based on the project requirement and individual performance. Candidate will be paid a consolidated remuneration of 35,000 for first year, 40,000 for second year, 45 for third year and 50,000 per month for the fourth year on a contract respectively. An additional 10,000 per year will be paid towards expenses like medical insurance, stitching charges, footwear allowance, etc. Kindly go through the official notification of this, and if you are eligible, just apply to this job as followed. In here you get the application form to download, and by clicking on this link you can pay the applicable fee, and here are the instructions for fee payment and all the details that which are required to apply to this job. Let's get to the next. The second government job is for project engineer, and this is also same from Bharat Electronics Limited, but for the location Bangalore now. Last date to apply to this job is February 4, 2021. Click on apply now to see the official notification. As you see here, this is for the Bangalore as I said, and this is for project engineer that has 19 openings. Coming to salary structure, 35,000 is for the first year, 40 for the second, 45 for the third year, 50 for the fourth year. And coming to qualification, BE BTech Mechanical can apply to this job. And post qualification experience as on January 1st, 2020, candidates should have minimum 2 years of post qualification experience in the following areas. So kindly go through this notification, and if you feel you are eligible to apply to this job, then here is the how to apply full procedure on how to apply to this job, and coming down you see the application fee where it's 500. Yeah, let's get to the next. The third government job is for engineering assistant trainee for the location Bangalore. Even this is also from Bharat Electronics Limited. It has 10 openings, and the eligible candidates are diploma in engineering of a recognized institution of at least 3 years. This means at least 3 years diploma is required to apply to this job. Just click on apply now so that you can see this link. So in here, coming to third option for the English version, just click on this link so that you will be opening this official notification. All the links will be placed in the description below for easy apply process. So as seen in the first option, engineering assistant trainee, and here is the 3 years diploma which is required. For the mechanical, they have 10 posts for various reservation categories. The age limit to apply to this job is 28 years as on January 1st, 2021. This is a fresher type job. So if you feel you are eligible to apply to the job, just click on the link below. Let's get to the next. Now let's start with fresher and internship type jobs. So the first job is for trainee engineer for the locations Pune and Bangalore. This is for the company KPIT campus, and the eligibility is for BTech mechanical and BE mechanical engineer. This is an internship type job, and they are offering salary from 3,60,000 to 5,50,000 per year. But this is only for the recent graduation pass outs. Only students from the current batches of BE BTech 7th or 8th sem can also apply. So just click on apply now. Here you will find the more information about this internship job. For branches like CSE, IT, mechanical and all other branches can apply for this role too after undergoing a pre-filtration round. Please refer to the challenge process below. So coming down, here is for the mechanical branch. The registration process for this job ends on January 29th, and kindly go through the process of rounds that happen after registration. So to apply to this job, just get on top. Here you will find a register button. So just register and apply. Let's get to the next. The second job is for ITI fitters apprenticeship for the location Hyderabad. This offers salary of 9,000 rupees, and 2018, 19, 20 pass out only can apply to this job. And this is for the company Hetero Drugs. If you feel you are eligible to apply, just click on apply now so that you can send your resume to the HR. You can also find the link of this website and the email ID of the HR in the description below. Let's get to the next. The third fresher type job is for graduate engineer trainee. They offer salary from 12,000 to 15,000 for the location Mumbai, and this is from the company SK Elevators Private Limited, and the qualification is BTech mechanical engineers, masters mechanical engineers and B mechanical engineers can apply to this job. So just click on apply now so that you will be taken to the official website of there, and in here just fill out the details and attach your resume to send your job request. Let's get to the next. The fourth fresher type intern job is for mechanical design for the location Mumbai, and they offer salary from 10,000 to 20,000. And coming to job description, this is to 3D modeling on software and Pro E, drafting, dealing, documentation and designing of components machines. And this is from the company Transasia Biomedicals Limited, and this is a company which has been founded in 1979, and BTech BE mechanical engineers are eligible. And just click on apply now so that you will be taken to the official website. So in here just click on apply and follow the process of applying to this job. Let's get to the next. The fifth fresher type job is for trainee engineer off-role for the location Tamil Nadu. To this job, a fresher or a 1-year experienced person in logistics, warehouse, customer service, order management or supply chain can apply to this job. And coming to qualification, any BTech graduates and diploma mechanical engineers can apply to this job. This is from the company Danfoss. Danfoss is a multinational company which they have their headquarters in Denmark. So just click on apply so that you will be taken to the official website, and just click on apply now button here so that you can apply. Let's get to the next. Now let's start with experience type jobs. So the first experience type job is for diploma mechanical trainee for the location Goa, and they require at least 2 years of experience in manufacturing organization, preferably in pharmaceutical industry. This is for the company Cipla, as it's most popular with their tablets and medicines that they provide for various illnesses. So just click on apply now, so that it takes you to the official website. So here just go through the description and just click on apply, so that you can apply to this job. Let's get to the next. I know the video is getting lengthy, but stay connected to this video as you see many good opportunities for mechanical engineers. I request you to subscribe to this channel. Coming to the second experience job is for mechanical engineer for location Bangalore, and this is from the company Lam Research. They require 3+ experience candidates for the qualification BE, BTech, ME, MTech Mechanical Production Manufacturing Engineers. Kindly go through the description. You can find the link in the description below, and just click on apply now, and you will be taken to the official website, and then here just click on apply now button. Let's get to the next. The third experience job is also for mechanical engineer for the location Chennai, and this is from the company Vestas. This is also a famous company, and this is a multinational company, and they require for the qualification BE Mechanical with 3 years of experience. And kindly go through our description for more information on this job, and just click on apply now. Here is the official job information that has given by the company, and just go through it and just click on apply now here. Let's get to the next. The fourth experience job is for design engineer for the location Pune, and they require 2 CAD engineers with UGNX software with minimum 4 years experience. This is one job. And coming to the next job below, they require 1 senior CAD engineer with UGNX software with minimum 8 years experience. And for the both jobs, they require BE Mechanical for the first one, and for BE or ME Mechanical for the second job here. And just click on apply now, and this is for the company Citrine Engineering Private Limited, and just by clicking on apply now, you'll see the official apply process by which the company has posted in LinkedIn. Just follow this process by clicking apply now. Let's get to the next. The fifth experience job is for mechanical design engineer for Thane, Maharashtra. They are offering salary from 15,000 to 20,000. This is for the company RR Plast Extrusions Private Limited. This is for BTech and BE mechanical engineers, and even fresher 1+ and 2+ years experience candidates can apply to this job. Kindly go through the brief description here, and if you feel you are eligible, just click on apply now. So as written here, we are constantly in need of sales executives, service engineers, production engineers, and design engineers. If you are interested, you can send the resume to hr@rrplast.com. You can find this email ID in the description below, and if you feel you are eligible, just click on submit by filling the full details which are mentioned here. Or you can also send your resume to this email ID which you can find in the description. Let's get to the next. The sixth experience job is for senior engineer mechanical for the location Bangalore. This is from the company Baxter, and a minimum of 5 years experience is required for the qualifications BE, BTech, ME, MTech mechanical engineers. Kindly go through the description and just click on apply now. It takes you to the official website. So in here, just click on apply now to apply to this job. Let's get to the next. The seventh mechanical engineering job for experienced candidate is for mechanical project engineer for the location Pune, and they require 2D and 3D AutoCAD experienced people, and this is for 6+ experienced candidates for BE Tech and ME Tech mechanical engineers for the company Vanderlande Industries. So as seen here, they are expecting 6 to 8 years experience candidates, and they need excellent communication skills, and kindly go through more in the description. You will find more details of it, and then just click on apply now, so that it takes you to the official website. And here just follow the process of applying. Let's get to the next job. The 8th experience type job is for manufacturing quality engineer for the location Bangalore. This is from the company Apple, and they require 2+ years experience candidates from BE Tech, ME Tech mechanical engineers. For more detail, just follow the description and kindly read through it, and just click on apply now. And here is the official website of Apple, where you can see the full details of it. So just click on submit resume, so that it takes you to the process of applying to this job. Let's get to the next. The 9th experience job is for mechanical engineer, ITO costing and tendering. And coming down, this is for 5+ years experience candidates for BTech BE mechanical engineers for the companies Suez Water Technologies and Solutions. So kindly go through your description, and if you feel you are eligible, just click on apply now, so that it takes you to official website where you can apply to the process of applying to this job. So in here, just click on apply now button here, so that you can apply. Let's get to the next job. The 10th experience job is for mechanical test engineer for location Bangalore, and they require 2+ years experience candidates of diploma mechanical engineer. This is from company TE Connectivities. Kindly go through description. If you feel you are eligible to apply to this job, then just click on apply now, so it takes you to the official website. So in here, just click on apply now, and then follow the process of applying it. Let's get to the next. The 11th experience job is for mechanical piping designer for the location Vadodara, Gujarat. They are offering salary between 25 to 35,000, and they are in need of mechanical piping designer, and they need skills of MicroStation and SP3D. And this is an 1-year contract based job, and they require 3 to 7 years experience candidates. This is for the company Keshav & Con, and if you feel you are eligible, then just click on apply now, so that you can send your resume to the HR. You can also find the email in the description. Let's get to the next. 12th experience job is for mechanical engineer, CAD and sustenance. This is for the locations Pune and Hyderabad. This is from the company Saint. This is the most popular company for mechanical engineering jobs, and they require 6+ years experience candidates. And this is for BTech BE mechanical engineers. Kindly go through the description. You can also find the link in the description, and just click on apply now, and you will be taken to the official website where you can know the process of applying to this job. As you see, this is a recent posted job, and follow the process of applying to this by clicking on apply, or you can sign in through LinkedIn to apply to this job. Let's get to the next final job. The 13th experience job is for GET engineers, means graduate trainee engineers, and they require 1 year experience in Revit. This is for location Bangalore, and coming down, the minimum CGPA has to be 7 and above, and he has to be a graduate from 2019, and they need to make 2 years of bond while joining in this organization. This is for the company Taltech India Private Limited, and eligible candidates are BTech BE mechanical engineers, and even fresher and 1+ experience can apply to this job. So if you are eligible, then just click on apply now, and here is the official website, and here just click on apply button so that you can follow the process of applying. So by this we have successfully come to the end of the video with 3 government jobs and 5 fresher and internship jobs and 13 experience jobs which have been explained in this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I request you to follow the links in the description of each job which I have explained in this video, and like, share and subscribe to this channel.